Here's how you can get the most out of your kit. Install the TV Go app. Watch telly on the go or at home with the Virgin TV Go app. You can stream live TV, recordings, catch-up and box sets, and manage your 360 box on your mobile, tablet or laptop. Content available is dependent on your package. Visit the App Store or the Play Store and search Virgin TV Go. Check out the My Virgin Media app to manage your mobile, broadband, TV and home phone services with us. It's the best way to see your mobile allowances and usage. Manage your Virgin Media bills, orders and appointments and get support easily. Just head over to the App Store or Play Store and download the My Virgin Media app at no extra cost. Meet our smarter, more advanced Wi-Fi app. It helps you connect to Virgin Media Wi-Fi hotspots out and about in all sorts of places. Test your home Wi-Fi performance and take control of your Wi-Fi. Visit the App Store or the Play Store and search for Virgin Media Connect app. To help provide your household with a safer internet experience, Virgin Media's WebSafe products, ChildSafe and VirusSafe, are automatically switched on and at no extra cost for customers with Virgin Media broadband. WebSafe helps protect devices that are connected to your home network. ChildSafe helps block access to websites that are unsuitable for children. And VirusSafe helps protect your device against websites that might be fraudulent or contain viruses. To personalize and manage your settings, you need a My Virgin Media account. Visit virginmedia.com/myvirginmedia and click Register. For extra protection against viruses, malware, phishing and other nasties, we also offer all our customers award-winning Virgin Media Internet Security, powered by F-Secure on unlimited devices. Set parental controls, secure your online shopping, and it works on all devices. Go to My Account at virginmedia.com and register for Virgin Media Internet Security. Go to virginmedia.com/help for more help and support.